So we're going to tie together the graphs with the operations of functions right now. So what I have is I have two functions. F of x is 2x plus 1. G of x is x squared. H of x is f of x plus g of x. So we can see in the table f of x 2x plus 1, g of x x squared, h of x is those two added together. In order to find the value of h of x, we need to either find the values of f and g, and then add those together, or substitute straight into h. Either method will work, but the way that I have this started, if we look at x equals 2, f is 5, g is 4, since h is those two functions added, h is 9. Same with at x equals 1, f is 3, g is 1, so h would then be 4. If we go and continue it that way, we plug in 0 to f, we should get 1. Plug in 0 to g, we should get 0. 1 plus 0 would give us 1. Plug in negative 1 to f, we should get negative 1. Negative 1 into g gives us 1. And negative 1 plus 1, 0. Plug in negative 2 to f, we'll get negative 3. Into g, we'll get 4. And into h, we'll get 1. So now, question B, we want the graphs of f, g, and h. F, I'm going to do in red. Graph out the points, negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, negative 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 5. And that makes as close to a straight line as I can draw on this. We'll connect them. We'll do the same thing with G. Do that in yellow. Go to negative 2, G's at 4. Negative 1, 1. 0, 0. 1, 1. And 2, 4. We can see a little bit better on this example compared to the last one. G gives us a parabola. H I'll do in green. We've got a point at negative 2, 1, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, and 2, 9. H is still a parabola. We just don't have the symmetrical view on both sides. We've got a couple of points on the right side that we don't have corresponding points to on the left side. It does still make a parabola. Question C, domain and range of h of x. Well, since h is a parabola, it can go left and right forever. Left and right is the domain side of it, so the domain is all real numbers. The range is vertical. This graph stops at a low point of 0 and goes up. So range being y's, our y's have to be greater than, or also could be equal to 0. Question D is asking for the values of f, g, and h when x is 4. Essentially, this is just taking the table, making another line. Plug in 4 into f, we get 9. Plug in 4 into g, we'd get 16. And since h is defined as f plus g, 9 plus 16 gives us 25.